this world another blaze. Black Bolt, Lusaka, he's off the air. The land of the fence in the land of the wasted. Africa, bitter food she tasted.
Engine of industry, let it be raised. There, the camp of the Black Bolt was placed. His legions through the valleys they raced. Chariots they rode, death stars were invaded. Nourishing fire, freshly painted. 8,000 battalions of knights freshly sainted. But before they fought, they were factions.